good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where I'm showing you today how to connect your 2021 Maserati Ghibli to Apple CarPlay, plug and play, and also wireless for the first time in 2021. Yeah, Maserati has now updated their technology to their new MIA system, which is their 10.1 touchscreen, and the Ghibli with the new software. But you can also do wireless CarPlay now for the first time in a Maserati. So let's check that out, because I did do a video on the Levante to do the same thing. But for the Ghibli, the layout is a little bit different. So I just want to go over it very quickly to show you, since the Levante screen is smaller at an 8.4 inch, it makes the layout a little bit more squished compared to the Ghibli's 10.1. So, but with that said, we've done a video on this before, 22 minutes long. All right, so make sure you check out the video on the new Maserati Intelligent Assistant System. But what we want to do is CarPlay today. So we press phone, there's no phone, we got to go to device manager, all of that. If you do have your Apple cable here, which you have to have your official Apple cable in order to do this, all right? You can't use any third-party cables, so make sure you spend the extra money if you want to be wired. But the good part about this is you don't necessarily have to be in 2021. We'll show you that in just a second. But we're going to go for the wired look first. We're going to push this in, let that go down. Well, it will expose our USB 2.0 cable there. So if I can get that plugged in, which I can never figure out which way to do this, is why USB-C is better. All right, there we go. Now, there's no good way to do this one-handed, but let's give it a shot. I kind of leaned it up there. All right, plugged it in. All right, let's see what it does. All right, so it's going to ask me to connect to Maserati's CarPlay, so we're going to hit allow. All right, so then automatically it says enable wireless CarPlay or USB only. So we actually want to use wireless CarPlay, so we'll click that there. And sorry about the glare there, I know that didn't help. Now you can see that CarPlay is connected there. Now you know that this is through the USB that showed up, because of the fact that if I were to unplug it, now it goes away. All right, so you see now it's phone. So it's not set up for wireless CarPlay yet. But since this is all set up to go to wireless CarPlay, we'll go to general in our settings. All right, we'll go to CarPlay. All right, then we'll turn on Wi-Fi or USB only. No, we'll turn on Wi-Fi. It will connect to this Maserati. Now, I've already connected to the Levante, so I don't remember exactly which one this one is, so I'm just gonna press that one and see what happens, but it should connect either way. So now that we're connected that way, we're gonna go to phone. All right, then it's gonna show, hey, Ronald Oliver is not connected. All right, so you gotta do something else. Go to settings. I go to settings there. I'm not doing good at this. Click that gear level there, and then I'm going to go to connect device right there on the screen. So once I click connect device, it should, okay, so now it's on connect device. You see it says connecting there on the screen. So I'm waiting. Still connecting. And now it says connected. All right, so now CarPlay just popped up. You see, I didn't even have to press anything, and it connected to CarPlay wirelessly. All right, so now it shows CarPlay down there, even with the phone unplugged. Now do you see it? It's a little bit different because it's a little bit bigger as far as the layout goes for this one here. So really the biggest thing is you get a better viewable. Everything is the same as far as having apps on the screen, having different pages for those apps, having the setup to where you can do the split screen, you know, with the navigation, the radio, everything there. So that part is all the same technology as far as what you can do. It's just the layout that's a little bit different because you get a bigger viewable with this screen. But yes, all your available apps here, even when the phone's not plugged in, which is very nice. If I want to go to Google Maps here, I can go to Google Maps. I can pick a place, we'll say gas. All right, so then I'm just gonna pick a place, and it will connect to the Apple CarPlay here.
Head east toward north to Mocha Farms Road.
See, so it already did it here, and if I were to press this, see, it's showing that route that I just picked from my phone, even though it's not plugged in. Now again, this is not new technology for a lot of car makers, but this is new for Maserati. So I want to show you guys, for your first time connecting to your Apple CarPlay wirelessly or wired, how it would look and what you needed to do so. So now you have your first look at what Apple CarPlay is going to look like and how you get it all set up. So with that said, I'm not going to go too deep into Apple CarPlay because it's CarPlay. It's an extension of your phone to your car. So that's pretty much what it is, but I did want to show you guys how you got there and what it looked like. So now don't forget, if you don't want to make this touchscreen very fingerprint friendly. All right, you can always use the rotary knob here to go through the screens, to cycle through the apps just as quickly, as not quicker, than you would using the actual touch screen. And you can also use this button to enter or select, shall I say. So we'll go to something like maps here. We'll press this button in to enter, and you'll see it enter maps. All right, so with that said, we'll do allow to use location. But yeah, so you can do that there as well, just by using this rotary knob, and you can turn the screen off by holding this down for about 3 seconds and mute the radio by using that. But this is just another way to quickly cycle through all of your apps all throughout Apple CarPlay for your Maserati. So with that said, hopefully this video kind of informed you there and it helped you out. If it did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on how to connect Apple CarPlay wireless and wirelessly to your new 2021 Maserati Ghibli. Now, with that said, in case you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. Now, if you guys also want to help support, you can always check out the Ron's Rise Patreon, be a monthly subscriber there, or you can check out the Ron's Rise merch, where you can get t-shirts, stickers, hoodies, everything Ron's Rise there. And you can also check me out on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok. I'm on there too, making Maserati, Alfa Romeo, and Ferrari content that you guys might not see on this channel. Now, with that said, make sure you guys subscribe, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one Ron's Rise video. Now, with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.